สวัสดีครับ I'm Dr. Punaphat, Medical Doctor at Chiva-Som, Hua Hin. These days, achieving good health and well-being can be a challenge. There are many reasons for that. Air pollution, stress, and poor sleep are just some of the pressures we face on a daily basis. Even when we modify our lifestyle, our wellness goal may feel out of reach. We may find ourselves reaching the point where we feel that additional intervention is required. Recently, Chiva-Som has introduced hyperbaric oxygen therapy as one of the choices to assist our guests to reach their wellness goals. But what exactly is hyperbaric oxygen therapy and how does it work? To put it simply, pure oxygen is breathed in while you sit in the chamber where the air pressure is raised 1.5 to 2 times higher than the normal atmospheric pressure. Under these conditions, your blood can gather far more oxygen than would be possible breathing pure oxygen at the normal pressure. Scientific studies show that with every inhalation, highly oxygenated blood travels throughout your body to all of your cells, promoting tissue regeneration, especially neurons and connective tissues, improving mental clarity and cognitive functions. Not only do your brain cells benefit, but the extra oxygen helps battle bacteria and stimulate the release of growth factors and stem cells, which promotes the healing of wounds and infections. Other medical findings include the reduction in inflammation in the cells and swelling in the body, plus a boosted and enhanced immune system. In short, this treatment is suitable for anyone seeking rejuvenation and regeneration. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy lasts between 1 to 1.5 hours, is totally non-invasive, and when combined with the holistic program at Chiva-Som Hua Hin, offer a unique approach to enhancing your wellness journey while helping you achieve your health goals and overall well-being more effectively.